You already know how to build a basic custom GPT, but you want more. You want your custom GPTs to be more advanced and more powerful. You want to utilize clear and specific instructions. Maybe you want to take advantage of GPT-4 Vision and DALL-E 3. Or maybe you just want to use the knowledge files that you own. So this video is for you, because today I will show you how to build two custom GPTs, and one of them will utilize DALL-E 3 and GPT-4 Vision, and we will transform some images into surrealism, but you can use like any illustration style that you want. And then I will show you how to use GPTs to create your own coach. And for me, it will be a coach for YouTube to help me improve my thumbnails and other YouTube videos. But the steps I will show you, you can just apply them into like any niche, any type of coach that you would want to need, that you would pay for. And I will show you how to do it step by step for free, only using custom GPTs. Okay, so let's start creating the first custom GPT. And the first thing I want to tell you is that you need to be a ChatGPT Plus user and to get access to custom GPTs. And then in order to create your first one or another one, you go to explore, and then you click this plus, create a GPT, and it will direct you to this GPT Builder, where you've got a GPT-4 helping you to create your custom GPT. And first I want to create this surreal sketcher or something similar. And to do that, I just prepared a very basic prompt. So this GPT Builder prompt us to say something like, make a creative who helps generate visuals. So I just updated that. I converted that into make an illustrator who creates surrealistic illustrations. Okay. It either takes a text prompt to visualize it, or it converts an uploaded image into surrealism. And I just click enter. And my GPT Builder starts working, and in this configure file tab, you see everything about your custom GPT, and it just got all updated. So it's come up with the description, which is here, and then the instruction, and it's generated some conversation starters. And I explained all of this in my previous video, so make sure to check it. But first, let's just see. It's called the Surreal Sketcher, so it's actually repeated the same name, and it's always asking me if I like the name. I say okay, so that it just continues like the name. You can always change the name, and in the second step it always generates this profile picture. So in a second we will see something here and here. And with this name, there is a bug, because at the very beginning it always also updated the name. Okay, it's just done it now, and I've got this surreal sketcher, and it's actually it's ready to use and test at this point. And GPT Builder asks if I want any changes, and then it will ask for more detailed things. But for now, I will just skip the conversation here. I mean, it's not that important. I just want to show you how it works. And there are several conversation starters, and one of them is create an illustration of the dreamlike city. Let's just try it to see if we get images in this surreal style. And I've got two goals, and one of them is like create images based on a prompt. And my second goal is to just like I did it here, like I uploaded this image by myself, and it's created a surreal version of it. So let's see. Okay, it's generated an image of a dreamlike city in surreal style, and you can see in the prompt there's a surrealistic illustration. So it's already working, but let me test that with a with an image. So I just use this baby goat and I say convert, and I'm expecting my GPT to provide the image description and then convert it into the style, and then generate an image with DALL-E in a surrealistic style. So I'm expecting actually something similar to what I'm seeing here, but let's see if it works. Okay. Okay, we've got the image, which is very, very interesting, but again, it's just surrealistic and it has a lot of room for creativity. But again, it's a surrealistic illustration of a lamp, which was described based on GPT-4 Vision, because I love this combination of GPT-4 Vision and DALL-E 3, where I just use GPT-4 Vision to describe an image and then to create a new description for DALL-E that is then passed and generated. So, okay, we've got our first GPT right now, and it can create surrealistic illustrations based on your text prompts or like input images. And of course, you can take it and use it to create images in your own style, the style that you want. And I think that's enough for the first example. Let me just show you, only show you again how to save it. You could just click here. You can say only me, only people with a link. I just say only me, and it will redirect me to ChatGPT and select this Surreal Sketcher as a default. So it's ready to use and it's available here on the left side. But I want to move to the next example, and again I will try to create a YouTube coach. And so let me just go back here and again click explore and create a new GPT. And what would you like to make? I've prepared a short description of what I need just to save time for typing. Make a YouTube coach who helps beginner YouTubers grow their channels faster by improving thumbnails, titles, descriptions, video hooks, and anything related. And I press enter here to see what my GPT Builder comes up with. And again, it's empty here. It should come up with a name, description, instructions, and some conversation starters. So let's just wait a second, and I'm staying here on purpose just to show you that it will update automatically while this GPT Builder is updating. Okay, we see how it showed up. And a friendly YouTube coach helping beginners grow their channels with practical advice. And again, the name is not here for some reason. It used to be. And it's created a very nice instruction on role and goal, constraints, guidelines, clarification, and personalization. Okay, I like that. How can I improve my YouTube thumbnails? It's actually ready to test, but let's go back to this create. And it's come up with this channel mentor name. I just always say okay in the video in my videos, because it really doesn't matter how you name it, and you can always change the name here. So I just say okay, and I'm waiting for the profile picture. And again, it's generated some conversation starters like how can I improve my YouTube thumbnails, and I really like that. And once we've got the profile picture and the name, I will just test it. Okay, it's created this channel mentor. So let me just call him channel mentor. It's not updated the name. Again, it's a bug probably. So let's just see, how can I improve my YouTube thumbnails? I just test it with this prompt, and it's giving me advice on how to update the YouTube thumbnails. But I want to show you, okay, while it's working in the background, I want to show you how to use these knowledge files, upload files. And because let's say I've got an access to a guidance on how to create amazing YouTube thumbnails, and I want my GPT to use these knowledge files in order to give me even more specialized answer and more up-to-date answer because of the knowledge cutoff and so on, and the advice that your ChatGPT is giving you may not be up to date. So I want to show you a trick that I'm using actually, and I will use YouTube, and I said here YouTube thumbnail trends 2023. I will show you the trick right now. And the trick is that I just, there's this amazing GPT that is called, let me just show you. I'm back to my ChatGPT. There's this amazing GPT called Video Insights, which helps you generate many things related to YouTube, but I just use it to create summarizations. And right now, I want to take this video, this video, this video. I want to create a guide on how to create great YouTube thumbnails so that I get more clicks. And what I will do, I will go to this Video Insights, and I already copied it just to save some time right now. And let me show you. I say create a comprehensive guide for creating YouTube thumbnails based on these videos. And these are 3 links that I'm providing, like from the first, second, and fourth video. And then in the guidelines, prepare sections for best practices, common mistakes, different thumbnail styles, tips and tricks. And I press enter, and the Video Insight starts to work, and because it's an action, it always asks to allow using it. So I just click on allow, and it will basically take those transcripts provided in these videos, and it's talking to the first video, and it will talk to a second video. For some reason, it haven't talked to the third one, but it's creating this guidance with, you know, best practices, common mistakes, and so on. And I will use it as my knowledge file. But I'm just waiting for the full response. Okay, and I copy it. I will just paste it here, save it. Okay, and then when I go back to my GPT, let me just close this one for now. I will upload the file, go to my documents, go to my videos, and this thumbnail guidance that I just got from here will be updated. Okay, I should have probably just deleted this, but it's okay, it should be fine. And I will make just one more slight adjustment, because I want to ensure that my GPT actually refers to these knowledge files. I'll just add, whenever possible, refer to the knowledge files with guidance on each topic. And it's not visible here anymore because I've updated my GPT, but when I say, how can I improve my YouTube thumbnails, it will see, it's searching my knowledge. So it actually shows that it's using this thumbnail guidance. And of course, because I've got this guidance, I can upload multiple files. So you can basically take the same prompt that I'm using here, like this one, but say not for YouTube thumbnails, but YouTube titles. So let me just show you. I said YouTube titles that get views, and right now I can take this title formula, like 10 viral YouTube titles guaranteed to get views, and also like click here, click on share, and copy this this link, and just generate videos and generate summaries for titles using really like the same prompt, only changing these three links. So let me just test its titles, and then I will just remove it, and then again click here, share, copy, and paste it here, first video, and then share, copy, and paste this. And then what about the third one? How to write? Okay, share, copy, paste, save, and submit. And I'm getting the new response. And again, it's going, I will have to allow it to actually talk to these videos, and copy it, and again go back here, paste, save it, and upload one more file, this time title guidance. So it's updated again, but this time let me do something different just to show you how it's working. This is my channel, and this is my video that I posted last week that doesn't do well, to be honest. So let me just see if I can just make a screenshot of it and copy, go back here, paste it, and ask my channel mentor, how can I improve this title and the thumbnail to get more views? Okay, and let's see if it's using our knowledge files. First of all, it's already working, so it's helping me to improve my title and my thumbnail. I like those. So, you know, I already have my personal code for improving my YouTube channel, which needs a lot of improvement. And just think about all the possibilities that you've got right now, because I just showed you like how in 10 minutes I've created this YouTube coach with my zero knowledge, let's say, with no files. I just showed you how I've created the files based on the knowledge from the experts, but I'm not sure if it's used my guidance. So let me just ask him. I'm just curious if it did. Okay, awesome. This is amazing. Can you see that? If you can like create your personal coaches in minutes right now. And I showed you the YouTube type, but maybe you're on LinkedIn, maybe you want a Twitter coach or Instagram coach or any kind of coach. You don't need to know much about it. You just find the right resources. And for me, like, YouTube is a great source of knowledge. And you can take the steps that I just gave you and, you know, create your own coaches and improve the content or anything that you create, like improve the quality of what you create. And I hope that gives you the idea of what's possible like easily with these custom GPTs. And again, I can just save it and say people with a link, and it will redirect me to this, to my ChatGPT. And just again, let me repeat, we've just created 2 custom GPTs in like 20 minutes. And one of them is utilizing DALL-E 3 and GPT-4 Vision. And this one is utilizing GPT-4 Vision and knowledge available on YouTube. Hope you will take these steps and create something amazing by your own, and something very practical that you will use all the time, every day. And please do share in the comments what you're building with custom GPTs, and let me know if you need any help with that. And that's it for today, and I will see you in the next video.